Now, what is this experiment with truth?
About what?
Anything, the word.
There are two types of experiments, sir, according to me. I may be wrong and I am open to correction. One experimentation with the crude world, another experiment with your own mind. Which type of experiment you want?
No, mind we reject immediately.
How?
Because it is not truth. It is accepting, it is reject.
Mansa eva mantavyam.
Mind's business is to accept and reject. Therefore, it is not truth.
Only by mind and concentration of the mind you to get the truth.
Concentration is different.
But then that is also of what? Of the mind.
Mind.
Different of what? But
when you concentrate the mind to the truth, then it is all right.
That is what I say. By concentration of mind
So
you get the
mind
truth.
is
That
not
is the
truth.
right. Mind is not truth, but by mind we gather the truth.
Yes, we can direct our mind towards truth.
I did not mean mind is truth. All that is made up of Maya, all that is made up of, Mahat Tattva and down below are all falsehood.
Therefore, experiment with truth is not experiment with the mind. So what is that truth and what is that experiment?
What is, first of all, let us know what is meant by experiment.
Experiment meant to examine whether it is truth or not.
And examines who examines and what? Who examines? The mind, man's mind. After all, no? And examination of anything depends upon the state of the mind, sir, according to the psychology. If the more concentrated the mind, better it will be nearer the truth.
Yeah, but that's all right.
That is what I say.
But my point
So experiment depends upon all that.
If there is truth, where is the scope of experiment?
That you want to, you want to hit at that point, then you are absolutely right. There is no experiment.
Yes, it is contradiction. If you say truth, there is no question of experiment. That I trying to understand.
That's right.
It is contradiction.
But all these Dhyan yogis, you are a Bhakti yogi, but I talk of Dhyan yogis.
Dhyana yogi is also truth if they follow, just like Dhyanavasthita tadgati manasa. So that is truth. But when there is question of experiment, that is not truth. That is my point.
When they are making experiment in an area which is not already known,
yes,
then
that means that is not truth. So experiment with truth cannot be. This is contradiction. That is my point.
Now you are right that way.
Yeah.
But you have asked the question in a puzzling way to me.
No?
So I
Now I ask you, how this experiment with truth
the
can
experimental
be
science
possible?
is that we are making experiment with biological sciences and abstract, sciences of physics and chemistry. And that those were truths already, we are trying to unearth. We cannot make truths. Truths are there already settled by God.
Yeah.
What we try to find out what is exactly and how it is being done. But we are not trying to find who is doing. That is your point.
No.
I understand.
If the truth is there, there is no question of experiment.
We are experimenting to find out the truth. Truth is there. No doubt. My house is there, sir. But you may go this way, that way, that way. We are making experiment to go to my house.
So that means you do not know what is the truth.
Truth is there. We do not know the truth. That's a fact.
That's it.
We are making experiment by which way we will approach the truth.
Yeah.
The experiment with regard to the method of finding out truth, not with the truth itself.
Yeah. But the word means experiment with truth. That is contradiction. There cannot be any experiment with truth. Truth is truth.
Truth cannot be experimented upon.
Yeah. That
I quite agree with you, and I become your chela in that respect. But so far as the method of finding out truth, there are experimentations.
And that can be done. That is another thing.
Now all our physical sciences, chemistry,
Another meaning.
mathematics, biology. I mean,
Hare Krishna. क्या है? तबीयत ठीक था?
सबको नमः. All these abstract sciences, mathematics, chemistry, physics, they have really been advanced by experimentation only. Because we did not know what truth is behind all these natural phenomena.
That is
and
so.
we try to find out the real, how the natural phenomena are, happening. And that is what the experimentation of the human race towards searching out the truth
That
behind
is
it.
explained in Bhagavad Gita. Tattva jnanartha darshanam. Tattva jnanartham darshanam.
But these truths are approached, actually realized by various ways. Jnana yogis, or yogis, what we call, they realize it, Trikal Galanis they become, by concentration of their mind on the truth. They ever, that which is highest truth, or God. They are after all trying to...
The yogis, they have already found the truth. Dhanavasthita tadgatena manasa pashanti jam yogino. So they have already found out the truth, and they have concentrated. That is not experiment. They have already know.
But they have, no, I don't say they have experimented on the truth, sir. I think I am not making myself more clear to you. What I mean to say that they have experimented by concentration of the mind to find out the truth, and they have realized the truth that way.
No. Realize, that's a fact. Now they are acting by tadgatena manasa. Mind is fixed up in super soul, Paramatma. That is yoga.
Yes.